Space is full of amazing things. Stars blaze with light and heat. Planets orbit, each one unique. And then there are the rings. These dazzling disks of ice and rock circle some planets. They are breathtaking. Scientists are fascinated by these rings. How did they form? What do they tell us about our solar system? Let's take a journey. We'll explore these cosmic wonders together. Planetary rings are like fingerprints. Each ring system is different. Studying them helps us understand how planets form. They hold clues to the history of our solar system. Come, let's unravel the mysteries of these magnificent structures. Saturn is the jewel of our solar system, a planet that captures the imagination of astronomers and stargazers alike. Its rings are truly spectacular, a mesmerizing display of cosmic artistry that sets it apart from all other planets. They are made of billions of icy particles, each one reflecting sunlight and adding to the ring's shimmering appearance. These particles range in size, creating a diverse and intricate structure. Some are as small as dust grains, almost invisible to the naked eye. Others are as large as houses, moving in a graceful, almost choreographed manner. Imagine a celestial ballet where each particle plays its part in a grand cosmic dance. Countless particles dance around Saturn, creating a dynamic and ever-changing spectacle. They are held in place by gravity, the invisible force that orchestrates this magnificent display. The rings are incredibly thin, despite their vast expanse. Even though they are vast, they are surprisingly delicate, a fragile structure that belies their immense size. Saturn's rings are divided into groups, each with its own unique characteristics. These groups are separated by gaps, regions where the ring material is sparse or absent. The gaps are created by the gravity of Saturn's moons, which exert a powerful influence on the ring particles. The moons act like shepherds, guiding and corralling the particles into distinct bands. They keep the rings in line, maintaining the structure and order of this celestial phenomenon. Saturn's rings are a dynamic system, constantly in motion and full of energy. They are constantly changing and evolving, a testament to the ever-shifting nature of our universe. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It also has rings, but they are very faint. Jupiter's rings are made of dust. This dust is likely from its moons. The rings are so faint. They were not discovered until 1979. The Voyager 1 spacecraft made the discovery. Jupiter's rings are a reminder. Even the largest planets can have delicate features. Scientists believe the dust in Jupiter's rings comes from collisions. Meteoroids hit Jupiter's moons. This creates dust. Jupiter's gravity then traps this dust. This forms the rings. Section 4, Uranus's rings, dark secrets revealed. Uranus is a giant planet, one of the most intriguing in our solar system. Unlike any other planet, it spins on its side almost as if it has been knocked over. This unique rotation is one of its many mysteries. Additionally, Uranus is surrounded by a system of rings. Uranus's rings are very dark and faint, making them difficult to observe from Earth. They are composed primarily of ice and dust particles. These particles are incredibly small, which contributes to the ring's faint appearance. Despite their subtlety, these rings hold many secrets about the planet's history. The rings were discovered in 1977. During this time, astronomers were observing a distant star. As Uranus passed in front of the star appeared to blink. This blinking effect was caused by the rings, revealing their presence for the first time. It was a groundbreaking discovery that added a new layer of complexity to our understanding of Uranus. Uranus's rings are tilted, aligning with the planet's equator. This unusual tilt suggests that something dramatic happened to Uranus in the distant past. Perhaps it collided with another massive object, causing it to tip over and spin on its side. This collision could have also contributed to the formation of its rings, making them a key piece of the puzzle in unraveling Uranus's mysterious history. Section 5, Neptune's arcs, a ring system in the making. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, located in the outermost region of our solar system. It has a faint ring system that is not as prominent as Saturn's. Neptune's rings are clumpy and irregular. Some parts of these rings are brighter than others, creating a patchy appearance. These bright clumps are called arcs, and they stand out against the darker regions of the rings. Scientists believe the arcs are held together by the gravity of small moons orbiting close to the rings. These small moons are known as shepherd moons because they help maintain the structure of the rings. Neptune's rings are constantly changing. The arcs are dynamic and can shift in brightness and position. They might be evidence of a ring system forming, hinting at a complex and evolving structure. The discovery of Neptune's rings was a surprise to the scientific community. Astronomers had not expected to find rings around such a distant planet, as it was previously thought to be unlikely. This discovery showed us that our solar system is full of surprises, with many mysteries yet to be uncovered. Section 6, Conclusion. Planetary rings. Windows to the past. Planetary rings are more than just beautiful. They are windows to the past. They reveal secrets about the formation and evolution of our solar system. By studying these magnificent structures, we gain a deeper understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Each ring system is unique. Each one has its own story to tell. As we continue to explore our solar system, we are sure to make even more exciting discoveries about these dazzling disks of wonder.